Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to expand triple brackets. We've got three success criteria, and the first one is to expand triple brackets. So to be able to expand triple brackets, you need to be confident with how to expand single and double brackets first. So here we've got three brackets that we want to multiply together. So we just look at the first two brackets first and multiply those together. So I'm going to do this using the grid method. So we write x plus 3 at the top and x plus 1 at the side, and we just multiply each of these together. So x times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x, x times 1 is just x, and 3 times 1 is 3. And if we add those together, we get x squared plus 4x plus 3, and we're going to multiply that by the third bracket. So again, we're going to use a grid method with x squared plus 4x plus 3 at the top and x plus 2 at the side. And again, we're just going to multiply everything together. So x times x squared would be x cubed. 4x times x would be 4x squared. 3 times x would be 3x. X squared times 2 would be 2x squared. 4x times 2 would be 8x. And 3 times 2 would be 6. And we just need to add all those together. So we've got x cubed on its own. 4x squared plus 2x squared would be 6x squared. 3x plus 8x would be 11x. And we've just got 6 on its own as well. So our final answer is x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. Here's a question for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to see what you should have done, press play. So in this question, we're going to multiply the first two brackets together first. So x minus 4 times x plus 1. And we get x squared minus 4x plus x minus 4. And that makes x squared minus 3x minus 4. And then finally, we're going to times that by the third bracket. So we do another grid with x squared minus 3x minus 4 at the top and x minus 3 at the side. And we multiply all those together. So we get x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x minus 3x squared positive 9x, because when we multiply two negatives together, we get a positive, and positive 12. If we write all those out and then simplify, so we've got x cubed, we've got minus 3x squared minus 3x squared, so that makes minus 6x squared. 9x take away 4x is positive 5x, and then you've just got plus 12. So that's our final answer. Here's some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's the green answers. There's the amber answers. There's the red answers. There's the purple answers. And there's the blue answers. And now we've completed success criteria 1. So now we're going to move on to success criteria 2, and this is to expand and simplify expressions. So here we're being asked to do quite a few things. I'm going to start by expanding each of the brackets separately and then simplifying at the end. So first of all, let's do 3x plus 1 squared. So that means times by itself. So 3x plus 1 times 3x plus 1. If we do that using the grid method, and then multiply that answer, so 9x squared plus 6x plus 1, multiply that by x plus 5. And we get 9x cubed plus 51x squared plus 31x plus 5. And then we're going to do the 4x plus 3 squared. So that means do 4x plus 3 times 4x plus 3. So multiply everything together in a grid. And we get 16x squared plus 24x plus 9. And we're going to add those two together. So we get 9x cubed, 51x squared plus 16x squared is 67x squared. 31x plus 24x is 55x. And 5 plus 9 is 14. So that's my final answer. This question is a little bit trickier, so I'm going to go through this one. So first of all, we need to do x plus 3 cubed. So that means times by itself 3 times. So I'm going to do 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3. And I'm going to times that by 2x plus 3 again. So 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 times by 2x plus 3 again, because it's cubed, so it times by itself 3 times. And I get 8x cubed plus 36x squared plus 54x plus 27. Then I'm going to do x minus 1 cubed, so it times by itself 3 times. So x minus 1 times x minus 1, which is x squared minus 2x plus 1, and times that by itself again, so times it by x minus 1. And we get x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. Now I'm going to subtract these. So I need to make sure that when I subtract them, I subtract everything in the second bracket. So I need to put a minus sign in front of all of the terms in the second bracket. So it will be minus 3x cubed, minus x cubed, minus 3x squared, so that becomes positive 3x squared, minus 3x, and minus 1, so that becomes positive 1. So we've got 8x cubed, take away 1x cubed, which is 7x cubed, 36x squared plus 3x squared, so that's 39x squared, 54x, take away 3x, so that's 51x, and 27 plus 1, which is 28. So that's my final answer. Here's some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's the green answers, there's the amber answers, and there's the red answers. And now we've completed success criteria 2. So now we're going to move on to number 3, and this is to apply to problem-solving questions. So this question says, find an expression for the volume of the cuboid in terms of x. So to find the volume of a cuboid, you need to times all three dimensions together. So we're being asked to do 3x minus 1 times x plus 7 times 2x minus 3. So I'm going to start by doing 3x minus 1 times x plus 7, which is 3x squared plus 20x minus 7. And then I'm going to times that by 2x minus 3. And then simplify. So I get 6x cubed, 40x squared minus 9x squared, which is 31x squared, minus 14x minus 60x is minus 74x, and then plus 21. Here are two questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So for the green question, we're going to do 2a plus 3 times 3a plus 4, which is 6a squared plus 17a plus 12. And then we're going to times that by a minus 3. So that's 6a cubed, 17a squared minus 18a squared, which is minus 1a squared, 12a minus 51a, which is minus 39a, and then minus 36. So that's our final answer. And then for the amber question, for this one, we find the area of the front face. So we do 2b plus 4 times b minus 1. That gives us 2b squared plus 2b minus 4. And because it's a triangle, we divide by 2. So we do the base times the height, which is what we've done, but then we need to divide by 2 because it's a triangle at the front. So that'll be b squared plus b minus 2. And then we times that by the length. So we times that by b minus 3. That's going to be b cubed plus b squared minus 3b squared. So that's minus 2b squared. Minus 2b minus 3b, which is minus 5b. And then plus 6. So that's our final answer. And now we've completed success criteria 3. So now that we've completed the last objective, it's time to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it useful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to check out the other videos on the rest of the channel. I'll see you next time. See ya.